The Shahed 136, a simple, low-cost weapon that has redefined modern aerial warfare. Measuring 3.5 meters long with a 2.5-meter wingspan, this one-way attack UAV is designed for long-range precision strikes. Powered by a 4-cylinder piston engine, its signature buzzing sound has earned it the nickname "Lawnmower of the Skies." It carries a 50-kilogram high-explosive warhead and utilizes GPS guidance to navigate across distances of up to 2,500 kilometers. Often launched in multiples from truck-mounted racks, it is capable of overwhelming air defense systems through coordinated swarm attacks. Costing as little as $20,000, it presents a massive economic challenge for defenders using multi-million-dollar interceptor missiles. From the Middle East to Eastern Europe, the Shahed 136 has become a central tool in contemporary high-intensity conflicts. A true game changer in the sky. For more military tech insights, don't forget to subscribe.